This week, one thing we're going to be talking about, if you listen to the podcast number 6, it was garbage in, garbage out. Basically, the Cliff Notes version of that is, looking at the things that you're surrounding yourself with in your environment and recognizing that your body has to filter all of that stuff back out. So the overall body burden that you put yourself under with all of the different things that you let into your home, whether it be your cosmetics, whether it be, your shampoo, your toothpaste. But a big one I want to talk about today in the video is the Thieves product line. So Young Living has a household line that they put their Thieves essential oil blend into. So Thieves has in it rosemary, eucalyptus, lemon, cinnamon, and clove. And so those essential oils are really, really good for cleaning your environment, making sure that we're getting rid of all the little yuckies. So one thing, this is, I think if I had to pick a favorite Young Living product, which that's like Sophie's choice, so don't even ask, but this would be right up there. This is the Thieves Household Cleaner. It's a 14.5 ounce bottle. That does not sound very big. Look, you can see. This is it next to my head for reference. If you know how big my head is, this is it. But anyway, that seems like, oh my goodness, that's, it's a $22 bottle of cleaner. That seems really expensive, right? Wrong. So one thing that I love is that this is uber concentrated, as are pretty much all Young Living products. Like, for instance, the laundry detergent that you buy, I actually, I save my empty laundry detergent bottles and I pour 1/3 of my laundry soap into that laundry soap bottle and then fill the rest up with water and then add 2 capfuls of the Thieves Household Cleaner, shake it up, and I get 3 times the use out of my laundry soap. And I have some other videos on my YouTube channel, Freedom in a Bottle, that's me. But I show you some other ways to use your Young Living products in a cheaper way. But this Thieves Household Cleaner actually cleans every single surface in your home. So glass, mirrors, it's a great degreaser. So if you're wanting to go and clean up all the oily spatter on your stove, if you want to clean your showers, if you want to clean your countertops, your toilet, your floors, this cleaner, even carpets, I've used it as a pre-treater on my laundry. You can use this cleaner on all surfaces. It is fabric safe and it is a degreaser and it leaves a shine better than your average little blue window cleaner. So this cleaner can really do a lot. So now we're talking about but it's still $22, right? Yes. And this is where the amazing part comes in. You do not just screw a spray bottle onto this cleaner. What you do is you take a 16-ounce spray bottle like I have here, and you can see they're about the same size, right? 1 capful. So you take this cap off and you fill it up and you pour 1 capful of the cleaner here into this bottle and then fill it up with water. And there's, I believe, like 60 capfuls here in this bottle. I don't know for sure, but there's lots. And so you can imagine that works out to a very cheap bottle of cleaner, cheaper than most things you're going to buy in the store. But the most important part is that this is made from plants. The stuff in the store is synthetics, it's chemicals, and it is stuff that your kidneys, your liver, your blood are all going to have to support. Now, I don't stop there when I mix up my cleaner. I actually like to add more essential oils to it depending on what's going on in my house. So if I'm wanting to clean things like toilets or cutting boards or anything where I want extra cleaning power, I actually add about 15 drops of Thieves Essential Oil Blend to this just to kind of give it that extra boost and make sure that we are getting our surfaces really good and clean. And you can actually see that the oil does separate a little bit. So when you're going to use it, just shake it up a little bit and then spray down your surface. And so that is super simple, and I love that I can keep this one concentrated cleaner around and use it for so many applications. Another example of that is when I'm going to mop my floor. If you use a traditional mop with a bucket, then all you have to do is add a capful to your mop water. Easy. But I don't like to use a mop and bucket because I don't like having that much water stuck all over my floors and then people slipping on it and stuff like that. So I got an O-Cedar spray mop. It's one of those that has the Velcro removable head where you can throw that in the washing machine. But it comes with this little container and the top screws off. And so all you do, same thing, is I add a capful of Thieves Household Cleaner, fill the rest up with water. Same thing, if I'm wanting extra cleaning power, I will still add extra essential oils and then shake it up, click it into my spray mop, and then it's got a manual thing that I just go and pull the trigger and it sprays out my cleaner on the floor, and then I just use that mop head. It actually flips over, so if you have a large surface area or a really dirty floor, you just flip your mop head over and you can clean twice as far. So, but those are some of the things I do in my house, and I love that the Thieves line doesn't leave me going, oh crud, what am I absorbing into my skin and then having to deal with as far as the long-term health effects. One thing, if you want to look at how safe the household cleaner is that you are using, go to EWG.org. It's the Environmental Working Group, and they actually rank different additives, different ingredients that are in our household products. And so whether it be a cosmetic, a personal care product like shampoo or toothpaste, or even your household cleaners, you can often get some information from there. A good rule of thumb is if it's, a 15 syllable word that you can't pronounce, may not be safe. So you want to be aware of like the 3 weird cousins, methyl, ethyl, and butyl. Those are endocrine disruptors. You want to stay away from things like sodium lauryl and sodium laureth sulfates. Those can be carcinogenic and are not good for your health. And so there's a lot of things that you can do if you are wanting to take a more green approach to your cleaning. But I just wanted to show you those are some of my my favorites as far as incorporating a more natural approach to cleaning my house. Is Thieves Household Cleaner. That is my favorite Young Living product if I had to pick one, but I'm not gonna because I love them all. So hope that helps you, and don't forget to go to my YouTube channel, freedominabottle.com, which is where you're going to find this video anyway, so hey, you're there. And if you go under product reviews, I give other tips on how to use your Young Living products and how you can make them stretch a little bit farther, and there are several Thieves related product reviews on there as well, so go check those out also.